Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how I colored and transformed this wig using this hair color from the Dollar Tree. I picked this hair color up, oh gosh, probably a year or so ago. Dollar Tree got in some, Revlon hair color. It was mostly like reds and auburn colors or whatever. And for the price, $1 versus $5 or $6 in Walmart, that was a pretty good deal. So I figured I'd be able to use it on some of my human hair wigs. This wig is an Amazon wig. It is from Sunwell hair. It's 100% virgin hair. It was a ombre wig. It was supposed to be an ombre wig. I bought it, oh gosh, probably 3 or 4 years ago, and I didn't like the brassiness of it. The picture online was deceiving, and when I got it, it was just horrible. So I kind of put it aside and forgot about it. And so when I was cleaning out my closet, I actually found the wig again, and I knew that I had the hair color, so I decided to try to tone it down with this box color from Revlon. So, or was it L'Oreal, Revlon, whichever one, y'all. Anywho, I'll have all that in the description box. But I'm just, concentrating the color on the bottom and on the ends where the hair was actually, originally colored in ombre or whatever. So really easy and simple. And I've just covered my work surface with a plastic garbage bag to, cut down the mess and stuff like that. So. And I'm making sure that I saturate it really, really good. I want the color to kind of, settle and seep into all the, color that was on the wig. I didn't want any of that brassiness left over because it was horrible. It really was horrible. Now I'm going to rinse out the color. It sat for about 30-35 minutes. I really wanted it to get a good penetration, color saturation or whatever. I did not, like I said, want to see any of that color. And it took beautifully. I know it's difficult to see here in the picture, or in the video rather, but it took perfectly. And the hair feels good, still soft. Very good quality hair. It was just colored wrong in my opinion, but it took really nicely. And as you can see, you can't see that really bright orangey color that it was previously. So super happy about that. And here I'm just kind of combing out the tangles. It wasn't really a whole lot of tangles. Like I said, it's really good hair. Now what I'm going to do is add the conditioner treatment that came with the box color, and just let it sit for a few minutes according to the directions on the box. And here we go. That is a beautiful color. It turned out wonderfully. And there's the construction of the cap. You have 3 combs in the front, and you have the adjustable straps in the back. And it's on a lace cap. Love, love, love this hair. Just needed a little TLC. I love the dark brown root and how it just sort of gradually goes into that pretty, pretty auburn color. I love how that looks now. And now I'm gonna spray it down with a little water because I want to smooth out the top a little. And I'm gonna use my wand curler to kind of sort of take that hump or sort of ridge out of the top and define the part a little bit more. What I did was, once I washed and conditioned it, I set it on a wig head and I put the part on the side that I wanted it to be on, and that's what we got. And so using the wand curler sort of helped define it. And now I'm just putting it in a ponytail because I'm gonna adhere the sides down with a little bit of the Got to Be freeze spray. So I'm just getting the hair out of the way. And I'm definitely not a pro at this. I don't usually glue or tack anything down, but I did want to try it out. So this was sort of an experiment, but it worked out pretty good. I'm brushing my baby hairs out because of the way that my hair grows around the front, because I'm going to place the wig slightly behind that little area where my hair grows out and then blend my own baby hairs back into the wig. So yeah, I was just brushing it out. Right here I'm spraying on the hairspray and using the tail of the comb to sort of press it down. And just cleaning up my edges with some tissue. I try to keep the tissue around because that spray runs. And I don't want it getting everywhere, so. Yeah. And for the most part, it worked pretty good. It's a quick fix, easy removal. I love it. So it's better than using glue. But it's something you don't want to do often because you don't want to put any stress on your hairline. Right here, I'm just tying it up with a scarf from Dollar Tree. And I'm going to let it sit until it dries and sets. Okay, so we are back. Everything's dry and set. So what I'm going to do now is add some curls. I am so in love with this color now. Great, great color for summer and fall. Beautiful, beautiful color. And I'll have all the information down below. Again, as to the color. They still sell the color, you know, in Walmart and the drugstores and places like that. But I just, like I said, picked this up from Dollar Tree a while ago. So here I am adding curls with my wand curler. Had to get used to using that. I'm so used to using a regular hair curler, but I got the hang of it eventually. And the hair took the curl really nicely. So again, I love this hair. Really, really do. I am back. I guess I'm done trying to style this wig. As you can see, the color took really nicely and toned down that really brassiness that it had. But it was, again, a Amazon wig, and I can't remember exactly what site it was. I'll have to try to find the box and post it down below, but it was an Amazon wig, and it was supposed to be ombre. So yeah, as you saw in the previous clips, I used a wand curler to try to add some volume and stuff like that to it. But yeah, this is it. It's not perfect, but you know, that's how natural hair is. It's not perfect. So let me give you a 360 so you can kind of see what it looks like in the back and everything. So this is my left side of the unit. Here's the back. And it's a nice length, a decent length. And here is the right side. And again to the front. So yeah, I like it. I really love the color. It's a nice color for summer. It's not too much. It's not really bright or anything like that. And yeah, I really like it. So hopefully you like this little video, and I'm going to try to do more like this, especially with a lot of my human wigs that need to be revamped. I was thinking about adding some color and things like that to them. But yeah, this one again though is brand new. It's been sitting in a box. I didn't know what to do with it because of the brassy color that it had. So yeah, I thought I would experiment, and this is what I came up with. I tried to adhere it down with the Got to Be freeze spray, so it's still actually drying. I have somewhere to go, so I went ahead and kind of speeded through the process, if you will. So yeah, I laid the edges down or whatever, but again, it's still drying, so I'm gonna stop playing with it until it completely dries. The makeup, I want to do some makeup tutorials, but they just take so long. But I'm gonna try and just sort of, I guess, speed them up and edit them down. But this, what I'm wearing, is actually the Patrick Star collection that came out last summer. I guess it was called Summer Star. I don't know. I left the box over there. Anyway, I have a little card here. I guess it's called Heat Stroke. I don't know. I've had it for a year. Went by MAC, picked it up. So I'm actually wearing everything, believe it or not. This is the palette, Heat Stroke. So yeah, it's the Heat Stroke palette. And this is what the palette looks like. So I'm wearing every color in the palette. And then this is the bronzer. So I use the bronzer to contour. So this is a great palette. And then the lip gloss that I'm wearing is, oh Lord have mercy, Jesus, I can't see that. What is this? I don't know, something punch. I'll put it down below. But that's the shade. It's a nice nude, a great color. You know, when you have a lot of stuff going on, which I do. I have on this maxi dress that's sort of a leopard print, zebra print, whatever, and I didn't want a whole lot of stuff going on. So yeah, this is the makeup that I'm wearing, and it is from Patrick Star. So yeah, that's gonna do it. Hopefully you like this video. Hopefully I'm not rambling too much, but I gotta get out of here. So until my next video, I will see y'all then. And if you haven't already, please subscribe. So bye y'all.